Good evening, everyone. Today I am Anmol Agarwal presenting you our Telecardiology website, in which you can see our home page here, in which you can see that is a home page, and in which about us you can see here is something about telecardiology is written. In FAQs, there are frequently asked questions which is related to our website. That you can see here why is telecardiology is half helpful, and here is some different questions that user want to see. Now coming towards the contact us is to get any you can send any query to the administrator server so that they can rectify any defect which is related to the telecardiology website. Now coming towards the doctors, here are our three doctors are present here. You can see the doctors here. Now coming to the sign in page, that is the login page here. In the login page you can see the username and password. If you haven't have the account, now you can click on the create account button, in which you can create the account. Let's say I want to create an account for someone person name Ranjit. Now Ranjit and last name is Kumar. Let's say his address is something 1234 and his mobile number is something like this. Sorry. Now we can get his mail ID. Write his mail ID here, Ranjit at the rate gmail.com, let's say. Now coming to the password, let's make the password simple. Okay, Ranjit at the rate 123 is the password. Ranjit at the rate 123. After clicking on create account button, you can save the password also here. Now directly you can log into the page. Your account is created. Now here what patient can do. Patient can book their appointment. So here are the appointment button, in which you can see there are different fields you have to fill. First one is name. Let's say name is Pranav. Wants to take the appointment. Now coming to the date of birth, you can change the date of birth from here. Okay. Let's say the date of birth is something 2007 April. So you can enter here. Okay. So that is the date of birth of Pranav. Here you can see. Now you want to book the appointment of Dr. Ritik. Yes, you can say here chest pain is the problem. Now coming to the upload files, you can upload the files. Let's say we have some ECG data available. Okay, ECG sample report. So we can upload here, which is getting stored in the Amazon Web Service in S3 bucket. So here you can select a date also for the appointment. Let's say you want to visit want to have appointment on 9, and you can select a different test also. Like you do this test after selection will be verified by the doctor if this test is required for you or not. Now coming towards the, let's say I'm selecting the none for the test. Now coming to the time slot. So I book appointment at 6. Now I'm paying for appointment. Now you can see here the payment gateway is pop up. That is the Razor Pay which we are using here. Now I want to do some uh, say wallet payment. Let's say in wallet I want to pay with okay, Ola Money. Now you can see after paying, here is the success happen, and you paid rupees 500 for the appointment. So after booking the appointment, you can see here your appointment is successfully booked, and here the message you can see, congratulations, your appointment has been successfully booked. Now user also get the mail about this, your appointment timing and the test what you have choose. Now you can go back to the here, and you can also see the appointment here. So that is not here right now, but uh, in uh, in doctor panel you can see. Matter which okay, I am logging into the doctor panel. That is Ritik is our doctor. So now entering into a doctor panel in which you can see we added one more option which is not previously present here, that is ECG tester. After clicking on ECG tester, doctor can see the ECG reading of the patient also. Now coming to the appointments, here you can see the appointment of the Pranav. Doctor can see the appointment of the Pranav and also the report which is uploaded by the Pranav. And here doctor can chat with the patient. Patient can also reply back. Okay. Now I am only using the one laptop, so I can't receive the message. So here what we are doing is here doctor can also prescribe the medicines in which let's say doctor want to prescribe after having chat with or having we can say having the video call with Pranav. Here is the Google Meet link which is provided by the doctor in which you can see the administrator panel is already joined the link which if the administrator panel is already present on the required link and they will manage the doctor and the patient. Now after the patient reach to the Google Meet, they will can ask to join the Google Meet and then talk with the doctor for the required prescription. Now coming back to the our login page, after having the chat and the video call, whatever the patient like, the doctor will prescribe some medicine. Let's say doctor is prescribing two medicines. One is for one is medicine, let's say medicine A, second is medicine B, and it will take to the morning, evening, and that should be taken afternoon. Note, take it regularly. So that is the note provided by the doctor. So now doctor can submit the prescription. After submit the prescription, you can see the prescribe button changes to the show prescription button. Now doctor after login also can see the patient medicines what he prescribed to them. Now coming towards the uh, patients, that many patient doctor have three patients, so that is the details of the patient that that doctor can see. And there is a ECG tester which is currently I am not currently I am not connected it to the leads right now. I will discuss it further later. Now after logout you can see the result in the uh, appointment history in which you can see the prescription. Like here you can see the A and B medicine which is prescribed by the doctor on the date today 1/5/2024. So here a doctor can prescribe the medicine and also doctor and patient can see the prescription here only. So that is the work which is done by us here. Now okay, that I already showed you. Now coming towards the back button, now log out. Okay. Now coming towards the administrator panel, here you can see the administrator username and password where we can create the administrator panel from the MongoDB server in which we are which we are using at a database. So now coming to the administrator panel, you can see there are the many options to of in administrator panel, like doctor, manage doctor, patient list, appointment details, queries, and logout. In add doctor, you can see here you can add another doctor here in the administrator panel. Now coming to the manage doctor may you can see if there are many doctor, you can search here from the search bar. Now coming towards the actions, here are the two action you can see, edit and delete, in which you can delete the doctor and edit something about them, like if you want to still change the contact details, you can change it from here in administrative panel. Now now coming back towards the patient list, here are the patient lists that are the total number of patients present in our telecardiology website. So here are the email ID and contact details that all are managed here. Now coming towards the appointment details, there are the all appointment which is taken by the patients, which can be seen here directly. Now coming towards the in also in you can see here the appointment details, the uh, whoever booked the appointment, you can see the name and the doctor name and the patient name also. Now coming towards the queries. In queries, you can see here some people write the queries in which you can see the message and also the email ID and the contact details of them to reply them back. That is the total administrator panel that we have. Now coming to the logout button. Okay, thank you. Thank you. This is the telecardiology website. Now I will show you the ECG tester, how it works.
You can see that the this is the real time ECG monitoring.